Many men experience sexual health issues. These can be embarrassing, and they can impact relationships. Finding safe and effective solutions is important. Natural remedies are popular as they offer a holistic approach. These remedies have been used for centuries, often having fewer side effects. Garlic is one such remedy. Garlic has been used for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations recognized its value. Egyptians used it for strength and stamina. In Chinese medicine, it's incorporated for various ailments. In Indian Ayurveda, garlic is seen as a powerful healing agent, believed to balance the body's energies. Its pungent flavor is unmistakable, adding depth to countless dishes worldwide. Modern science is catching up. Studies show that garlic can improve blood flow, which is crucial for erectile function. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which relaxes blood vessels. This allows for better circulation. Improved blood flow benefits the entire body, not just sexual health. Garlic also boosts nitric oxide production, which is essential for erections. Section 4. Garlic in your daily diet. Adding garlic to your diet is simple. It can be eaten raw or cooked. Roasted garlic has a milder flavor and can be spread on bread or crackers. Garlic supplements are also available, offering a concentrated dose. However, it's important to consult your doctor before taking supplements. They can advise on dosage and potential interactions. Section 5. Beyond sexual health. Garlic's benefits extend beyond sexual health. It boosts the immune system, has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Studies show it can lower blood pressure. Garlic can improve cholesterol levels and may even have cancer-fighting properties. Though more research is needed in these areas, incorporating garlic into your diet is a wise choice. Section 6. Embrace the power of garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy. It has been used for millennia, and science supports its many health benefits. From sexual health to overall well-being, garlic is a versatile ally. Try adding more garlic to your diet, experiment with different recipes, and you might discover a new favorite dish. Embrace the power of garlic and enjoy its many benefits.